How to remove Google account from Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can remove Google account from Android. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. So first of all, you have to launch the Google application in your mobile device. Once you're here, tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. Tap on this drop down arrow next to your profile name. Scroll down a bit, tap on Manage Accounts on this device. Once you're here, scroll all the way down. In there, you will find an account that is logged into your Google. So you have to choose an account that you want to remove. For example, I have this account right here. Tap on it. After that, you will find an option or button that says Remove Account. All you have to do is tap on Remove Account, and in order to confirm, tap on Remove Account, and with that, your account will be removed. And that's how you can remove Google account from Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.